Welcome to my channel. Today I share with you my best lemon cake recipe. This cake is so moist and fluffy. I will show you all the ingredients step by step. Let's start. First we prepare our dry ingredients. 1 cup flour and 1 teaspoon baking powder. And now we prepare our wet ingredients. Take 2 medium eggs, 1 teaspoon lemon sugar or lemon essence. Mix the all ingredients. Beat 8 to 10 minutes. Add 2 tablespoons lemon juice. Add 1/3 cup vegetable oil, 2 tablespoons milk. Mix well. Add little by little dry ingredients. Don't overmix, just combine. It is better if you use vegetable oil instead of butter. Oil makes your cake more soft. Grease your baking mold and put the cake mixture into your baking mold. Bake in preheated oven 35 to 40 minutes. For our cake topping, we will prepare now 1/2 cup icing sugar, 1 tablespoon lemon juice and 1/2 tablespoon water. Mix well until it's creamy. First we remove our baking paper so that we can make our topping. Your lemon cake is ready. If you really love lemon cake, then you have to try this recipe. If you like my recipe, like, subscribe and share. Thanks for watching.